Hola! Como están? Welcome back to my channel, Learn with Raphaela. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and send this video to your friends. Let's get started with lesson number 5, a pronúncia das vogais nasais, em português. Today our goal is to improve the pronunciation of nasal vowel sounds in Brazilian Portuguese. And what are nasal vowels? The nasal vowels are those you have to pronounce using your nose and your mouth. The first nasal vowel we are going to be learning today is uh. And you're going to find those nasal sounds with combinations as am, an, and the letter A with this sign above, which is the sinal de nasalização. Once you see this signal, you have to make this pronunciation this sound okay? Let's practice with examples because it's easier like that. Campo, don't forget to repeat after me. Campo, planta, ilusão. We have more examples. O campo está florido. A planta precisa de sol. A ilusão se desfez com o tempo. The next nasal vowel is em, as in tempo, centro, em viagem. You're not gonna say viagem, okay? You're gonna say viagem. You're not gonna close your mouth, okay? That's the correct pronunciation, viagem. Let's practice a little bit more with those examples. O tempo voa quando nos divertimos. O centro da cidade é movimentado. Estou planejando uma viagem. The next vowel sound is in. Sounds funny, right? Repeat after me. Importante. Interior. Sim. Yes. Okay, you're not going to say sim. You'll say sim. And you're going to find those sounds with this combination. I am, I am. More examples. É importante estudar todos os dias. O interior do país é tranquilo. Você quer um café? Sim, por favor. Remember, those examples meant to be useful not only for pronunciation, but also to help you improve more vocabulary, okay? To improve your vocabulary knowledge. The next nasal vowel sound is with the letter O. In combinations as OM, ON, and the letter O with the sign of nasalização. Let's repeat these examples. Ombro, longo, ilusões. Again, ombro, longo, ilusões. Let's practice a little bit more. Ela colocou a mão no ombro do amigo. O caminho é longo, mas vale a pena. Ilusões podem nos enganar. The last nasal vowel sound is The U with M and the U with N. As in comum, segundo. Let's check those examples. Minuto tem 60 segundos. O respeito é um valor comum em todas as culturas. It's time to talk about homework. Don't forget to download the PDF and complete the quiz that I prepared for you. Don't miss out this opportunity to improve your knowledge in Portuguese. Muito obrigada. See you next class.